And a startling revelation today that Jamaicans overseas, persons in prison and several gangs have been linked to Sunday's massacre in Clarendon. At a press conference at the office of the Prime Minister, the police theorized the incident is a reprisal attack for another shooting incident in Clarendon some time ago. As Kalisha Williams reports, curfews and a multi-stakeholder initiative have been launched in the community.
The press conference followed a meeting of the National Security Council after 8 people were killed and 9 injured in Cherry Tree Lane, Clarendon, Sunday night. After a long discussion, a decision by Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
Therefore, we have given directions to the security forces to launch an all-out assault on the gangs that are involved, indeed any gang that is involved. There is no way that 8 persons can be killed in one incident in Jamaica and the state stands as if nothing happened. No. Every gang member, every gang will feel the full force of the state today.
Mr. Holness stressed that the police are pursuing multiple leads. In describing the incident as an act of terror, he told the nation that the massacre was well organized and involved several criminal masterminds.
We know that persons overseas are involved and connected in this act. We know that persons who are incarcerated presently have connections in this act. We know that multiple gangs are connected and involved in this act.
As for the motive or the intended target, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey made this declaration.
We believe that it is gang-related, reprisal for the death of someone who was killed in Clarendon, but I don't want to get into too much detail in respect of that, but we have established motives.
A curfew has also been imposed in the community, and the authorities warned that they will be leaving no stones unturned as they seek to bring the hoodlums to justice.
To those persons who may want to take matters into their own hands, who may want to go out and on their own seek reprisals, if you do that, you then become of interest to us. And you are a part of the problem and not the solution.
And we are appealing to the public. If you have any information, please pass it on to us. This senseless act must be dealt with swiftly and proportionately. And the JCF and the law enforcement agencies are committed to ensure that that is done.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.